Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, in this tutorial we're gonna crochet the Suzette stitch, and it looks like this. So this stitch works with multiples of 2, so even numbers we're gonna chain. I chain here only 12 just to save some time. So we're gonna skip the first chain, which is here. We're gonna go into the second and we're gonna do 1 single crochet, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back in the same chain where we did this single crochet, and we're gonna do a double crochet. We're gonna skip one chain, and in the next we're gonna do the same, and we're gonna do like this until the end of the row. We're gonna do 1 single crochet, and then in the same chain we go back there and do a double crochet. Okay, skip one chain, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, and then in the same chain 1 double crochet. Okay, skip one chain, and in the next 1 single crochet, and in the same chain we go back there and we do 1 double crochet. Okay, we're gonna skip one chain, and in the next we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, and then go back in the same chain and do 1 double crochet. We're gonna skip one chain, and in the last one we're gonna do only 1 single crochet, only 1 single crochet, chain 1. You're always gonna chain 1 at the end of the row. It looks like this. Turn your work, and the first stitch, it's here, it's this one. So we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, and go back in the same stitch and do a double crochet. We skip one stitch, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, yarn over the hook, and we go back again in the same stitch and we do 1 double crochet. Okay, we skip one stitch, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, and back again in the same stitch and we do 1 double crochet. Skip one stitch, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, and then back in the same stitch 1 double crochet. We skip one stitch, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, followed in the same stitch by a double crochet. And then we have 2 stitches left, 1, 2. We're gonna skip one stitch, and in the last we're gonna do only 1 single crochet, chain 1, and again I'm gonna turn. Looks like this, really nice. And the first stitch, it's here. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, and in the same stitch where we did that single crochet we're gonna do a double crochet. Skip one stitch, and in the next we're gonna do a single crochet followed by a double crochet. Okay, skip one stitch, and in the next 1 single crochet, yarn over the hook, and go back in the same stitch and we do a double crochet. We skip one stitch, and in the next we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, yarn over the hook, and we go back into the stitch and we do a double crochet. Skip one stitch, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, and back again to do a double crochet. We skip one stitch, and in the last stitch we're doing only 1 single crochet, chain 1, and again the same thing. It's just 1 row repeat. It's very easy. So the first stitch is here, so we're gonna go in there, we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, and back again in the same stitch to do a double crochet. Skip one stitch, and in the next the same, 1 single crochet followed by double crochet. Skip one stitch, and in the next you do the same, 1 single crochet and then double crochet. because what you're gonna do, you're gonna do this cluster, let's say, of single and double into the single crochet from the previous row. So we skip one, and in the next we do the same, one single crochet and go back again in the same stitch and do a double crochet, skip one, and in the next one single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. You skip one, and in the last we do a single crochet, chain one, and here we go again. The first stitch, it's right here. Yeah, so you're gonna do again and again. Yeah, I think it looks nice with a very, let's say, soft yarn, and maybe a little bit chunky. The yarn will look nice, but I think any yarn will look nicer. So this is the stitch, this is the front, and this is the back. Well, looks okay, looks nice, especially with a soft yarn. It's very, very nice. Okay, well, this is the Suzette stitch. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.